Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video I have explained electric field and electric field intensity, and now we have the clear idea about what is electric field intensity. So in this video I am going to explain two types of electric field intensity, that is electric field intensity due to a point charge and electric field intensity when there are system of charges. So let's get into the video. So we need to calculate the electric field intensity in two cases, that is the value of electric field intensity when there is one point charges, and then if there is system of charges. So what is the electric field intensity if there is a system of charges? So first case is electric field intensity due to a point charges. If there is one point charge, then what is the equation to calculate the electric field intensity? So consider a point charge Q plus Q placed at a point O. Let P be another point at a distance R from O where the charge Q naught is placed. So electric field intensity has consider E in this direction. So R is the distance between two charges. So we know that from Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force equation is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, product of two charges divided by square of the distance between them. So consider as equation 1. And we just now studied what is electric field intensity. That is, electric field intensity is defined as the ratio of electrostatic force per unit test charge. Here the test charge is Q naught. So substituting the F equation for F, that is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught divided by R square Q naught. We need to consider the R cap unit vector, where R cap is the unit vector directed from plus Q to plus Q naught. So here one Q naught and Q naught gets cancelled. So the final equation to calculate electric field intensity due to a point charge is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square R. So this is the equation to calculate the electric field intensity due to a point charge. That is, if there is only one point charge for a source charge, then the electric field intensity equation is this value. Next, we need to calculate what is the value of electric field intensity if there are system of charges. So consider the example if we have 4 test charges, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. So Q1 is at a distance R1 from Q0 and Q2 is at a distance R2 and Q3 is at a distance R3. Similarly, Q4 is at a distance R4, and E1, E2, E3 and E4 are the electric field intensity due to respective test charges, and Q0 is the source charge. So we need to calculate the total electric field intensity due to a system of charges. So the resultant electric field intensity at a point due to a group of point charges can be found by applying superposition principle. So for an assembly of Q1, Q2, Q3, etc., the force on any charges, say Q1, is a vector sum of force on Q1 due to Q2 and force on Q1 due to Q3 and so on. So thus the electric field intensity at a point P due to n point charges Q1, Q2, etc., Q1 is equal to the vector sum of electric field due to Q1, Q2, etc. Qn at point P. So we need to calculate the value of E1, E2, E3 and E4. Then to calculate the total electric field intensity, we have to add E1, E2, E3 and E4. So first we need to calculate the value of E1, E2, E3 and E4, and then we need to substitute in this equation, equation 1. So where E1 is the electric field intensity due to Q1, E2 is the electric field intensity due to Q2, E3 is the electric field intensity due to Q3 and E4 is the electric field intensity due to Q4 and E is the total electric field intensity. So what is the value equation to calculate E1? E1 is nothing but F1 divided by Q1. So that is F value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by Q1 R square, that is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R1 square R cap. Similarly, E2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by R2 square R cap and E3 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 divided by R3 square R cap and E4 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q4 divided by R4 square R cap. So now we have all four equations. Now we need to resubstitute to equation 1 to calculate total electric field intensity. So in all these equations, all four equations, 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon is the common word. So when we adding these four equations, we can take outside the common word, that is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. The remaining equation is Q1 divided by R1 square plus Q2 divided by R2 square plus Q3 divided by R3 square plus Q4 divided by R4 square. So using the summation term, we can write this equation as summation of I is equal to 1 to 4. I is equal to 1 to 4 Qi divided by Ri square Ri cap. So this is the equation to calculate the total electric field intensity when we have a system of charges. So this is all about electric field and electric field intensities. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding this topic, please comment down below and I will try to solve in my upcoming videos. Thank you.